The easiest way to make money is to solve a problem people deal with every single day. If you can do that, you'll never be broke. Every successful business you know exists because it fixes a problem. Uber solves the problem of expensive or unavailable taxis. Airbnb solves the problem of expensive hotels. Even something as simple as bottled water exists because people don't want to drink dirty water or unsafe water. If you want to make money fast, find something that people hate doing or something they can't live without and offer a solution. The biggest mistake I've seen new entrepreneurs make is they start with what they want to sell, not what people need. That's why so many businesses fail. You can have the best idea in the world, but if nobody wants it, it's useless. This video will give you 5 businesses that fix everyday problems, require little to no capital, and can start making you money immediately. So yeah, let's get into it. The first business is mobile phone and laptop repair. Fix what people can't live without. People absolutely cannot survive without their phones. If someone's phone breaks, they won't sit around and wait. They will pay anything to fix it. The easiest way to start is to learn basic repairs from YouTube. Battery replacements, screen fixes, unlocking phones, and trust me, there are free tutorials on everything on the internet. You obviously have to start small. You wouldn't want to break someone's phone. So offer quick fixes like software updates, battery replacement, or even something as simple as cleaning out a charging port. Market yourself in WhatsApp groups, Facebook Marketplace, and word of mouth. Tell people things like, if your phone is slow, bring it to me. The second business is cleaning services because people hate cleaning. Here's a fact. People love clean spaces, but hate cleaning. That's why cleaning services are a thing and are always in demand. I'm sure you've been in a situation where you wanted a clean space, but just didn't have the energy or the time to do it yourself. Most people feel that way. There are a lot of people out there who need cleaning services. Business professionals who don't have time, parents who are too exhausted, business and Airbnb hosts who need regular cleaning. So to start, begin with basic home cleaning and take before and after pictures. Post these pictures online. You see, people love seeing transformations. Offer specialized cleaning, deep cleaning, Airbnb turnovers, office cleaning, whatever you can come up with really. You can charge per session or offer monthly packages for repeat clients. The third business is running errand services. Yes, running around and getting paid. People are busy and lazy, which means they'll pay you to do basic things for them. This is one of the easiest businesses because it's just you running around doing things people don't have time for. And there are a lot of people who need this. Busy professionals, people who are at work all day, business owners who need someone to drop off deliveries, or elderly people who need help with groceries and other essentials. Start by offering shopping or package delivery services. Charge per task or create subscriber purchases, unlimited errands per month, or something of the sort. Use WhatsApp, TikTok, Facebook, or whatever to advertise your services. And I promise you this, people would come calling. It is what it is. The fourth business is personal shopping, helping people buy what they need. Some people don't know where to shop while others don't have the time. This makes personal shopping a gold mine. And there isn't really a limit on what you can shop for. You can shop for clothes and fashion, help people find styles that suit them. You can shop for tech and gadgets, find great deals on phones, laptops, accessories, or whatever, and bulk home essentials. And this is perfect for families or business owners. The easiest way to start this is partner with local businesses and take a cut from the sales that you make. Charge a service fee or earn a commission from the store owners, and use Facebook Marketplace, GG, or WhatsApp, or whatever to source the deals. And that's it. You start making money. Obviously you have to put in a bit of work, but yeah, that's basically it. The fifth business is affiliate marketing, selling without having a product. You don't need to own a product to make money selling it. With affiliate marketing, you can connect buyers to sellers and take a cut from each sale. Start by finding local business owners selling phones, laptops, fashion items, or appliances, or whatever. Market their products online. When someone buys, you get a percentage from the sale. It's as simple as ABCD. For example, you can partner with phone shop owners. You list their phones or devices or whatever online, bring them buyers, and earn per sale without even touching the product. It works like magic, and I say this because I've done it before and it worked. The thing is, people will always pay to solve a problem. If you want fast money, or if you want to make money really, stop overcomplicating simple things. Find a need, fill it, and charge for it. That's it. If you enjoy this video, make sure you leave a like, drop a comment, and click on the sub button because why not? See you in the next one.